Take a ride in the 2025 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.